How is vehicle damage assessment performed after flood damage? Have you ever wondered what happens to your vehicle after it has been damaged by floodwaters? The process of vehicle damage assessment is essential in determining the fate of your car. Let's break it down step by step. When you file a flood damage claim, the first thing that happens is the insurance adjuster reaches out to you. They will schedule an inspection to gather initial information about your vehicle. This is your chance to provide any details you think are important. Next, the adjuster conducts an on-site inspection. They will look closely at your vehicle to assess the damage. One key part of this inspection is documenting how high the water reached. This is often classified into levels, with level for indicating that the water reached the dashboard. The higher the water level, the more severe the damage is likely to be. During this inspection, the adjuster will take detailed photographs and notes of any visible damage, both inside and outside your vehicle. They will also look for water lines or debris marks on door jambs and other areas to confirm the flood height. It is important to check critical components like the engine, transmission, and electrical systems, as water exposure can lead to serious issues. After the visual inspection, a mechanical and electrical evaluation may take place. This is where the adjuster or a specialist checks parts like the engine and brakes. Salt water can be especially damaging due to its corrosive nature. Once the inspection is complete, the adjuster prepares a detailed estimate of repair costs. This estimate includes the cost of parts, labor, and any necessary cleaning or drying procedures. If the estimated repair cost is around 75% or more of the vehicle's pre-flood market value, it may be declared a total loss. When a vehicle is declared a total loss, it means that the insurance company will compensate you for the vehicle's value instead of covering repair costs. After all findings are compiled, the adjuster creates a report that includes photos and damage estimates. You may need to sign a proof of loss document to move forward. Finally, the insurance company reviews the claim and processes the settlement. For vehicle owners, it is important to report flood damage promptly and avoid starting the vehicle before the inspection. This helps prevent further damage and ensures a smoother claims process. In the end, vehicle damage assessment after flood damage is a systematic process that helps determine whether your vehicle can be repaired or if it should be declared a total loss. Understanding this process can help you navigate your auto insurance claim more effectively.